Lee here, Madden Mobile Crew. Gonna open up the premium packs. Here we go. Update. Oh, Terrell Suggs. I heard these premium packs were on fire. I saw some decent. Saw a pack that had 2 elites in it on Twitter. Forget who posted it, but. Boom, Kyle Williams, another elite. So 2 out of 3 packs had an elite in it so far. So probably paid for all of them. And another update. Boom, Jamal Charles. Might have to actually update these. I'm gonna look at his speed. And that should be nothing. So there you go, 3 elites out of 5 premium packs. So to me, totally worth it because that totally paid $150K for them. Or if you need some elites on your team, you got them. So keep checking us out. Like, follow, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. More videos coming.